Students, through this recorded session, today we will discuss the MCQs of the same first lesson, The Lost Child. So, the first question says, name the things that the child saw on his way to the fair. Option A, toys. Option B, sweets and garlands. Option C, balloons. And option D, all. So, its right answer is option A, toys. Second question, why did the child lag behind his parents? Option A, because of the stops he took to look closely at his favorite things. Option B, because he was walking slow. Option C, because he was crying. Option D, all. So its answer is option A. Because because of the stops he took to look closely at his favorite things. Okay. Now the third question, why did the child keep moving without getting any answers? Option A, because of distractions. Option B, because of too many attractions. Option C, because of his experience and assumed notions about his parents. So its answer is C, because of his experience and assumed notions about his parents. Fourth question says, what did the child want to eat at the fair? Option A, barfi. Option B, pastry. Option C, laddu. Option D, jalebi. So its answer is A, barfi. Fifth question, when did the child realize that he had lost his way? Option A, while running. Option B, while eating ice cream. Option C, when he turned to take permission from his parents to take a ride on a roundabout. So this is the right answer. When he turned to take permission from his parents to take a ride on a roundabout. Now question 6th. What did the child do when he realized that he had lost his way? Option A, cried and ran here and there. Option B, felt happy. Option C, reported to the office. Option D, none. So its answer is A, cried and ran here and there. Now, seventh question says, why did the child lose his interest in all the things he was interested earlier? Option A, because of separation from his parents and losing his way. Option B, because of no response from his parents. Option C, because his interest was changed. Option D, can't say. So its right answer is A, because of separation from his parents and losing his way. Now, eighth question says, what did the child realize? Option A, the fair was charming. Option B, the toys were attractive. Option C, that parents are the most valuable asset. And option D, none. So its answer is C, that parents are the most valuable asset. Now question ninth. What did the child speak repeatedly after losing his parents? Option A, I want my father, I want my mother. Option B, I want to ride. Okay, and option C, I want toys. Option D, I want swings. So its answer is option A, I want my father, I want my mother. Now 10th question says, how did the generous man try to calm down the child? Option A, showing and offering him different things. Option B, taking him to rides. Option C, talking to him and diverting his attention. Option D, all. So its answer is A, showing and offering him different things. Now 11th question says, who is the author of the lesson The Lost Child? Option A, Sudha Murthy. Option B, Mulk Raj Anand. Option C, Amrita Pritam. Option D, all. So its answer is option B, Mulk Raj Anand. Now 12th question, what does the story show? Option A, working of a fair. Option B, working of a village. Option C, village people are good. Option D, working of a child's mind. So this is the right answer. Working of a child's mind. 13th question. Where did the child go with his parents? Village fair, cinema hall, circus, and all. So its answer is option A, village fair. Next question says, what is the theme of the story? Option A, close bonding between parents and children. Option B, village people are good. Option C, we must go to village fairs. And option D, none. So its answer is option A, close bonding between parents and children. This is the theme of the story. 15th question, who took the child to the fair? Parents, kind men, friends, or none? Parents. Next question, question 16th. Why were the parents holding the hand of their child? Option A, to keep him walking with them. Option B, because of their fears. Option C, to help him. Option D, none. So its answer is option A, to keep him walking with them. Next question says, list the things that the generous man did after picking up the child. Option A, asked his name. Option B, consoled and offered many attractive things to the boy. Option C, asked his parents' names. And option D, all. So, all. Okay. Its right answer is option D, all. Next question says, what does the child's refusal to all the attractive things show towards the end? Option A, child lost his interest. Option B, child's obstinacy. Obstinacy means jidd. Option C, bond of love between child and parents is above everything. So this is the right answer. Bond of love between child and parents is above everything. It is above all. Okay. Next question. Name the characters in the lesson. Option A, parents. Option B, generous man. Option C, the lost child. Option D, all. So its answer is all. Next, 20th question. Why did the child say no to all the things he was earlier crying for? Option A, lost interest. Option B, his interest was changed. Option C, because being with parents was more important for him. Option D, none. So its right answer is option C, because being with parents was more important for him. So MCQs, these are the MCQs questions that we have discussed. Hope you all have understood. Thanks for watching the video.